Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smoothies and exploring the top 5 trends that are taking the internet by storm. So grab your blender and get ready to whip up some delicious and healthy concoctions. First up, we have gut health boosters. These smoothies are all about supporting a happy and healthy gut microbiome. We're talking ingredients like bananas, spinach, yogurt, and even a kick of ginger to keep things interesting. Not only are these smoothies delicious, but they can also help with digestion, bloating, and overall gut health. Calling all sweet tooths. Next, we have dessert-inspired smoothies. These are basically healthy versions of your favorite desserts, packed with flavor without the guilt. Think chocolate peanut butter, cake batter, and even fruity cobbler flavors blended into creamy perfection. Now let's talk about aesthetics for smoothies. These beauties are designed to be as visually appealing as they are delicious. Think vibrant colors like acai berries, pitaya, and spirulina, creating stunning textures and layers in your glass. They're perfect for impressing your friends or taking your Instagram game to the next level. Looking for a refreshing, non-alcoholic option? Look no further than mocktail smoothies. These blends combine fruits, vegetables, and spices to create flavorful drinks perfect for any time of day. They're a healthy and delicious alternative to sugary cocktails. Last but not least, we have immunity boosters. These smoothies are packed with vitamins and antioxidants to help keep your immune system strong and healthy. Think oranges, spinach, elderberries, all blended into a powerful and delicious beverage. So there you have it, folks, the top 5 smoothie trends you need to try. With so many delicious and healthy options, there's a perfect blend out there for everyone. So grab your blender, experiment with these trends, and let your creativity flow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and healthy recipe ideas. Cheers!